We work so hard to please everyone by providing amazing quality and incredible prices. One really happy reviewer has decided to make it all worthwhile. Just listen to this fantastic feedback. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time to write about their experience and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement. We value all of our customers. Whether you are brand new or have been through our doors before, we would love the chance to make you happy. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to contact us at 586-791-3900. We look forward to doing business with you.